Hey again, guys. So I just finished helping y'all go through and show y'all how to make a home or like a house or a structure on Minecraft. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a walkthrough for making the outside of our house for Minecraft and um, having planting trees and spawning animals and everything. So that'll be fun. So now we've just built our house. Here's the outside of it. Very pretty. So now I want to build a fence because I want to have farm animals and I also want to have like plants and things. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the birchwood fence that we chose. And now I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to start it from like right here. I think that's a good spot. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and build. And the cool thing is that this will keep all of our farm animals inside of the fence because we definitely, if we have farm animals, we don't want to invest in them running away. That would really stink. So making the fence does not take too long, which is nice. And I think I want the fence probably to go just across, not all the way across, but I think I want the fence to go, I guess, oop, no, not from there, from here. Yeah, I like that. We're gonna build the fence just like this. Now this is gonna be the garden, so I want this to be my garden. So I'm not gonna put my animals in here, but I wanna put my animals, I'm gonna put my animals over here, so I wanna build a whole nother area for my animals to be in. So this, I think I wanna put them over here because this just seems kind of bigger for the animals. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going until I hit the end of the house, which looks perfect right there. So now I'm going to go down to the end of the house. And I want to make about like, probably like 3 of these. Oh, goodness. So now we're getting to the end of building our fence. Perfect. So now that we're done building our fence, I'm gonna hit E. So now we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna find, so I've got pig in there already. I'm gonna do a cow. And I definitely wanna do a horse. Sometimes it takes a moment to find the horses. There's donkey, spawn, horse. Okay, perfect. Oops, okay. So now I've got horse, pig, cow. Perfect, all I need. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spawn a horse. All right. So I'm gonna make individual pens for my horses. I'm gonna go ahead and make individual pens for my horses. I probably want about 5 in each. Okay, so now that I've spawned all the horses that I wanted to, I am gonna go ahead and make a pen. I'm gonna go ahead and make a pen on the other side of the house. So I'm gonna hit E and go to my birchwood fence, or the birch fence, my mistake. I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna build the fence right along here, just like this. Oops. Alright, I think I like the size of this a lot. This is a good size. Okay. So now I'm going to put a lot of pigs in here. I think that's what I'm going to do. This will be a big pig area. Okay. So now I got to build. Okay, that's perfect. Even. Okay. So I keep going down this line and I'm almost done. And all right, perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spawn my pigs. So I'm just gonna put them everywhere. I'm gonna put a lot of pigs because you can't ever have enough pigs. And they're pretty funny. They're very, very pink, which I like. So yeah, we want a lot of pigs because they made a pretty big fence. That is probably more than enough pigs. So there's all my pigs. Now I'm going to go over this side and I'm going to go ahead and make my birch fence for my cows. So I'm going to do a big pen for cows as well. Oh, and it's raining now, so that's good. I like that it's raining. Okay. So now, keep going. Okay, we're almost to the end. I think. Yep, okay, perfect. So now I'm at the end of the house. Oop, I made it one too far, but that's okay. That's still a good fence. So now I'm going to spawn cows. I'm going to put probably not too many cows. I don't want to overpack. Perfect. I'll add one more. Oh, perfect. A little baby. All right. So now that I'm done with my animals, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and do all the plants I want. So I'm going to hit E and I'm going to go down. I want to do, let's see, I want to do blue orchid, or no, I don't want to do blue orchid. I'll do red tulip, I'll do a daisy, and we'll do a sunflower. That'll be pretty. That'll be a good garden. And then I also want to do a birch sapling because I think that'll look good. Oh, we already have it. Oops. All right. So I'm going to start off with my birch sapling. Okay, so now that I've got my birch saplings, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of put them along the ends, I think. So plants are easy because they don't do anything, which is, I guess, a good thing. Be kind of cool if they grew, though, in my opinion. But go ahead and keep planting those. Let's see. So then keep walking and planting these, and we're almost done planting them. Oops, I don't want to put one right there because that's right in the entrance. Perfect. So now I've got all my birch trees, and I'm going to do my daisies. I'm going to do my daisies next. Those are pretty daisies. I like those. So this is fun because you just get to do whatever you want in planting, and you can make it as pretty as you want, or I like to do big gardens. So then I'm going to do a red tulip because I like tulips a lot. And those look really nice. I'm going to do a couple layers of the tulips as well. And now I'm going to move on to my sunflower. I'm going to do a couple rows of those. Those will look nice. I'll have a great garden. Perfect. So now I've got a fantastic garden. And as you can see, so I've got my garden here, my horses here, all my pigs back there, and all my cows in here. So now we've got a nice little farm kind of vibe going on, and yeah. So now, because it's raining, I can go into my house and I can look at all the animals. Thank you for watching.